the fuck?
Bro, I told you we don't do that shit, man. I told you we don't do that shit, man. Got some fire. My manager got a cool guy coming in today. Apparently he's really good. Ship coming any second now. Perfect timing. Come in, man.
What's up, bro?
Yo, you Lil Nick?
Little dick, bro.
What?
Just changed it in the studio.
Just changed it now?
Damn right, man.
You changed?
I changed it, bro. I don't know why that's so hard to believe, man.
It's kind of crazy, actually. You know Lil Dicky?
No, not yet. Who's that?
You never heard of him?
Goddamn no.
There might be some problems with you changing your name to Lil Dick.
No, I don't think it is.
Well, wait, why do you even change your name to Lil Dick?
Well, because I got a little dick. Little Dick. Follow me.
You got the name Lil Dick?
Damn right.
Damn, alright.
Little Dick Nick.
Oh,
That's a good. Hey, write that down.
There ain't no one back there, man.
Shut up, man. My people are here. You know they are.
Oh yeah, here's the first beat, alright?
Okay. What is it, man?
What
the fuck are you doing, man? That's disrespectful as fuck. Shit, man.
That's good, man. What happened?
That's axe. Well, that smelled like ass.
Are you ready? I heard you. Yo, I heard you were good.
I am fucking good, man. Depends on what beats we're going over. I did ABCs, like 1, 2, 3s. Shit, I did that better than Barney. No, it was Michael Jackson. I'm pretty sure Will Smith did the ABC song. I'm smart.
Start whenever you want, man.
Is this the Halo track?
Nah.
Sounds like a Halo track.
I made this myself.
Sounds like a fucking Halo track, man. Alright.
If it is, then I made the Halo track.
Yeah, hold on, just 1 second. Gotta get ready. Gotta smell good for this shit, you know?
Yeah, man. You came in here smelling like weed.
Actually, that's because I got dick cheese, bro. Hey, you got $5 bills for me to toss, man?
Nah, man.
Shit, man.
I got toonies. Why? Hey, man, you gotta start this shit.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I super lean. I take a Percocet. Fuck your doggo in the ass. Take some Percocet. Yeah. Light bulb goes on like a Twizzler. I know more.
No! Don't finish! Twizzler, what rhymes with that, bro?
Scissor, man.
Oh, yeah, I thought you were gonna say something else.
What?
Nah, don't worry about it, man.
And Ben 10 is my motherfucking. No, that's cool, man. It's cool. My accountant over there, she's looking good. Hey, you doing sexy? Dude, it's a fucking chihuahua.
Oh, chihuahua.
Damn right, man. Alright. That was a pretty sick ass beat, but I don't know about this anymore, man.
I'm not sure about this one.
I spit some fire, but that was kind of it, bro.
Okay.
Shit's not lit enough, you know?
Oh, yeah, I got
You know what I'm saying?
new one. I got a new one.
Get lit, bro.
Of course. You more like a fast rapper?
Damn right.
Alright, nice. We got a nice fast one for you, man.
I like fasties. So wait, look at the big
Like- Hey, man.
That kind of hurt, man.
Yo, this is first time coming.
Hey.
We usually don't do that around this office, alright?
Shit, the other guys must be filming.
Yeah, well, we don't do that around here. I don't know.
Alright. I'm sorry.
Probably a good
man.
thing that you came here.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Listen, man. I don't mean no
Yo,
disrespect.
your hands are so slimy, right?
I don't mean
you're
no
sweating the fuck,
disrespect,
bro. Yo, what? Maybe touch your dick, bro.
Shit, man. I'm sorry, man.
Alright, yo, this is a fast one.
Hold up. Shit, man.
Yo,
You got me kind of.
that wasn't even your drink, man.
Bro.
That wasn't. None of that was yours.
Just look away, man. Just Just look away.
What was that?
Shit, no, man. So the man didn't matter. Shit, man.
I don't think he's zipping that up, man.
What? There's nothing there, bro. Bro, get the fuck. What the fuck?
Alright, man.
Touching
Hey, man. Hey,
bro.
man. Hey, man. We'll figure that out after. Okay?
All right. Let's go.
Hey, this ain't dancing class.
All right.
You're sweating your ass off already,
Damn
man.
right, man. It's fucking sweat. It's hot as fuck in here.
Well, why are you wearing a hood,
Bro.
Why you got your hat on your hood, man?
Bro.
What?
Bro, I'm just here to spit some fucking fire, bro. I'm gonna legit spit fire. Like later on, me and the boys, we gonna put alcohol in our mouths and we're gonna light it. Shit, we gonna spit that shit too. It's gonna come out like a waterfall.
You a spitter?
Not for you, baby. It's going up my nose.
Oh. Hey, that's decoration, bro.
I'm gonna take this to go.
No, man, that's mine.
Bro, it's mine now, so I don't know.
What's his name?
Jode.
He's a psychopath. What are you... Hey, man!
Shit, man. Oh, I came for you with a gift, man. Shit, man. Here you go. Alright. Listen, man. I know shit's gonna be tough.
Carrying this shit around with you, man?
Bro, I know shit's gonna be tough, bro. That's what I'm saying. I make some excellent work.
What does that even fucking mean?
I bring you gifts, man. I got you this shit, man. I came in here with this, yo. You know what I'm saying? It was good.
I don't know what you're saying, man.
You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck do you do to this thing?
You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
Yo, man, what's with the face mask anyway?
Bro.
Yo, my bad.
Bro, it's style. Everyone out there is wearing these for styles right now, so I know it's a cool thing, you know?
No, they're wearing it for a different reason.
No, they're wearing it because they're cool.
No. You heard COVID?
No, I heard of the cool card. Hey,
man,
oh, God.
Alright,
you know, the cool kids clan? It's pretty cool, though. Kind of. Everybody drinks grape.
You're part of it?
No, not yet. I'm trying. You have to bring, like, KFC and grape juice to the orientation. Some bullshit.
Okay, here we go. Let's,
You good, man?
I'm good, man.
I know you're a really big fan, man. It's cool.
Am I?
Yeah, damn right. I know you are already. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Okay, yo, here we go. You feeling this one?
Shit, hold on. I just got a weird feeling. Oh, yeah.
I don't think that's gonna help, man.
Let's go. Right. Shit, man.
What you doing, man?
Hold up, man.
You sure you're not coming in there?
Not yet, baby.
Oh, yeah. You swimming?
Just a little bit, you know, it's a little exercise, man.
That was what you were meant to start then.
Bro, listen, I've only been doing this for a day, man.
I thought you were good.
No, I am good. You heard about the peanut butter and jelly rhyme? This shit's mine.
No.
Alright, now restart this shit. Come on, man.
Yo, you sure you want to knock off there, man?
Bro, I'm good.
Yo.
Shit, man. Okay. Listen. Yeah. I got a Nerf gun. Put it in your ass and you're done.
Yo, man, you good? Yeah.
Hey.
Come on, man.
Got any toy cars, man?
I thought you were rapping, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, they call me Little Dicky. Put in his ass like it's a little shitty.
That's just nasty. Have you heard of this faggot named RazorEagle?
Oh, yo, RazorEagle.
Mm-hmm.
That guy, I hate that guy.
Shit, me too, man. Hey, that's what I'm saying. Respect.
Yeah, I grew up with him too.
Hey, yo, sorry for that. Get out that tape measure.
To keep?
No.
Okay, good.
What do you mean, man?
I don't know what you're gonna use.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a lip piercing. Yeah, it's fire. When I look in your eyes,
Don't fucking stare
I
at me.
see fire. I got a chihuahua. I shoved it in my ass in. I liked it. Shit, it's not there anymore, motherfucker. I liked it. Yeah.
Yo, man.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure COVID-19 is a cool group. I tried to join, they didn't accept me. Q-tip. Watermelon. Watermelon. Doggo fruit. Nipples. Gingivitis.
Yo, man, we ain't doing ASMR here. We're doing rap.
No, I'm going. Come on, man. What the fuck you ruining the vibe, man? The fuck?
Alright, sorry, yeah, keep vibing,
Alright.
Yeah. Could have put on the headphones? Shit, okay. Yeah. Can't hear shit, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm wearing white headphones. You're white too. Just like these headphones. Ice white. Snow white. I creamed in her ass tonight. Shit's like fire. I let it go like water. I make it into ice. I'm pretty sure I just played Skyrim earlier. That was nice.
Hey, man, this sound like baby rapping.
Nah. This is fast rap, bro.
It is not even about the pace, man. You singing like you playing like a baby, bro.
Bro, it's not good enough me. You're like really shit at doing beats, man. I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, yo.
Yeah, okay. Show me something good.
Yo, man, you've been doing some weird shit at home, man. Anyway, yo, you gotta start on this beat, okay?
Let me get this shit fixed up.
Taking it off.
Gotta wait for the beat to drop, man.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Ever heard dubstep?
It's gonna.
That's my shit, man. Oh, yeah. I put my dick in some peanut butter. Yeah. Then I put on a Gucci belt. Yeah. Then I put it in some butter, like margarine, and I wash the belt. Trump is my father. I put this shit on, like Jesus is in the Pearl Harbor. Oh, like July the bomb. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oxycodone up my nose. I'ma smoke that crack. Put that shit in my ass crack. Blue balls. Green Adderall. Blue balls. Shit's whack. Shit's deep like sweatpants when I put it in my anal crack. Brown eyes got a tan like blue eyes. Semen in my eyes. Shit, I don't realize. It's girl semen. Shut the fuck up. Yeah. Like someone's named Jacob and they threw up or something. Jacob's always been a stupid name. That's what I think. Fuck anyone that's named Jacob, by the way. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My name's Little Dick. I just changed it in the studio. Shit is lit. I snort the cocaine off her ass crack, but it turns out it was a dude. I still went going, cause that's not rude.
You shoot fire, man.
Oh, heart of this man, Lil Jay. He sucks more than Lil Tay. Yeah. Yeah. Red eyeballs. Shit is bland. Too high. I can't stand. Fucked your dog. He tried the ram. Yeah. Blue pimples.
You keep saying that you fuck my. Did you actually fuck?
Bro, it's not important. It's just part of the rap.
That's it, man.
I fucked your dog though. Shit. Fuck that
Yo,
dog.
this shit ain't gonna work.
Hey, I'll go acapella. All right. Shit, man. What is your name?
Cal.
Oh, fuck Cal. Little dick. Little bitch. I like you, man. Close the click. Oh. Does the carpet match the drapes? I eat fucking crepes. Just like I like grapes. Shit, my homie just got raped.
Yo, bro, I don't think this shit gonna work, man.
Come on, man.
No, man. No, get yo.
Come on,
yo.
man. What the fuck?
Bro, I told you we don't do that shit, man. I told you we don't do that shit, man. I told you we don't do. Hey, man, you're gonna have to get that, man.
Bro, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Listen, man. You a good producer, man. You a good producer.
Yeah, man, you're gonna have to get out, man.
Bro, okay. Alright.
Man. Yeah.
Hey, you take care, man.
Yeah.
No, call me. Seriously, no, seriously.
Yo,
Move. Sit down, alright? Listen, respect you, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, like, I'm serious. Honest respect, bro. Like your t-shirt. You like it?
Yo, man, you gonna have to get out. You starting some shit, man. Fucking say it. Yeah, man, you my shit, man. Alright, get. Hey, man, come on. I just want to talk. No. I just want to talk, man. Hey, come on. Hey, I'll be cool. No. No, I'm cool, man.
You hire me?
What?
You hire me?
I'll hire you, man.
Alright, man.
Come here.
Alright.
Stay out, man. Get the motherfucker out of here. That shit was whack.